Megan. I am the lecturer for Introduction to Biblical Hebrew. Obviously, the unit introduces students to the foundational level of Biblical Hebrew. So we are talking about learning things like the Hebrew alphabet, the vowels, and then key components of Hebrew grammar and Hebrew vocabulary. I would say it is for students that have an interest in the Hebrew Bible or the Old Testament, and they want to engage with the text in a more immediate way. So within the class, we obviously begin with the alphabet and then move our way through. We cover the key components of the Hebrew language that you would expect for most languages. So of course, you have to cover nouns and adjectives, verb conjugations, and all of those sorts of things. And then also looking at Hebrew syntax, that is how the language it's put together, how it's structured, and that with the overall intention that we're working towards the translation of small Hebrew sentences and phrases. So by the end of it, like I said, students should be able to translate simple Hebrew sentences and also use aids to help them in that process, so things like lexicons, Hebrew dictionaries, and commentaries to help them in that process. I think students should really consider taking a class like this because, the Hebrew Bible is this incredible combination of texts that provide us with a really important resource of things like human history, of obviously ethics, of law, of these amazing narratives and these different things that continue to inform our religious beliefs and our religious identity. So learning Hebrew really allows us to encounter those texts without some of those things that mediate the text to us, so translations or other people's explanations. With a little bit of Hebrew, we can actually at least come to the text and hopefully be able to look at it and interpret it ourselves.